Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Slice 2 medium oranges and remove the white pith as much as possible. You want mostly zest. Dry the peels until fully crisp, about 24 hours in a food dehydrator or 2 to 3 hours in an oven at 200 degrees F, checking frequently. Grind the crisp peels to a fine powder using a clean coffee grinder or mortar and pestle until no fibers remain. Transfer powder to an airtight dark jar and store in a cool place while you prepare the solvent, bottles, and pH strips for the extraction step. Measure 1/4 cup of orange peel powder and place it in a clean jar. Add 1/2 cup of 70% vegetable glycerin or 70% food-grade ethanol as the extraction solvent. Seal and shake well, then store the jar in a dark, cool spot and shake once daily. Steep for 7 to 14 days to extract oils and water-soluble components. Strain through fine mesh and a coffee filter. To make a topical serum, dilute and stabilize by adding 1/4 teaspoon of a 10% L-ascorbic acid solution to the strained extract, and check the pH. Once mixed and stabilized, always test the pH and adjust to about 3.5 using small drops of diluted citric acid, record amounts, and recheck the pH after each adjustment. Transfer the finished serum to amber or opaque glass dropper bottles and keep refrigerated to slow oxidation. Expect a usable shelf life of about 4 to 6 weeks with homemade extracts. Before facial use, perform a patch test on the inner forearm for 24 hours and discontinue immediately if you see irritation. Never apply to broken skin and avoid eye contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.